Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to add keyframe. So for example, you can add objects like I will use this cube and you can select the cube object. Now you can go to frames in the bottom here below and I will set into frame 1. If you want to add the keyframe, you can press S buttons on keyboard. So to be create for the red lines in here, like I will move again to 20 for the frame, and you can move the box objects like in red axis. Now press S button again to set the keyframe. Now if you move from these points, it will be moving the box object. If you want to delete the keyframe, you can right click and then choose the delete button. So we will set again in key 20 in blue axis. Now you can press S button to set the keyframe. So that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to add keyframe.